Just when you thought XRP was settling down, the SEC versus Ripple battle takes an explosive turn. XRP defies the market, holding steady above 50 cents amidst appeal tensions. With attorney John Deaton re-entering the scene to defend XRP holders, this story isn't over yet. Ready to see how this fight could shape the future of crypto regulations? Let's dive in. Welcome back to Gold Rush Crypto Daily Channel, your go-to source for cutting-edge crypto updates and insights. Today, we're digging into the latest in XRP's ongoing saga against the SEC, with Ripple and John Deaton at the forefront. If you're an XRP enthusiast or crypto investor, you're going to want to stick around because this isn't just another crypto update. It's a battle that could influence regulations and the value of XRP itself. So, don't miss out, and remember to hit like and subscribe to stay in the loop with every twist in this case. Here's what's coming up. XRP's surprising price stability above 50 cents, the crucial arguments Ripple's putting forward in their cross-appeal, and why John Deaton is back in the game. And trust me, there's more on the line here than just price charts. Let's break it all down. XRP price holds above 50 cents a sign of strength or just market volatility? It's been a rollercoaster few days for XRP. After a solid 2.35% increase on October 26, XRP pushed back from a 5.66% drop the day before, ending the day at $0.5135. Now, compared to the rest of the crypto market, which grew by just 0.88% that day, XRP's resilience stands out. While some may call it a bounce back, I'd say this price stability reflects something bigger: investors' growing faith in XRP as Ripple faces the SEC head-on. The entire crypto market is unpredictable, but XRP's performance shows it has its own rhythm, especially as it's tethered to the intense legal drama between Ripple and the SEC. And here's a thought: maybe this resilience is investors bracing for a potential Ripple victory. I mean, why else would it resist a wider market dip? The Deaton factor, a comeback to defend XRP holders Friday, brought a surprising turn when attorney John Deaton announced his re-entry into the Ripple SEC case. And it's not just about the law, this is a personal mission for Deaton. He's already represented over 75,000 XRP holders, and now, he's back, either to continue the fight as a private citizen or as a possible U.S. senator. That's some serious dedication. Now, here's where it gets interesting. Deaton's reappearance reminds the crypto community that the Ripple case isn't just about the company. It's about protecting the rights of crypto investors everywhere. Think about it. If the SEC wins, it sets a precedent that could affect countless other tokens and projects. Deaton knows that, and so do XRP holders who support his efforts. For XRP investors, this kind of support is monumental. You don't just have a company defending your investment, you have dedicated advocates like Deaton. And while politicians and regulatory bodies might see crypto as an easy target, it's clear that the XRP community isn't backing down. Ripple's cross-appeal. What's really at stake? So, while the SEC challenges the legality of programmatic XRP sales, Ripple has fired back with a cross-appeal. And this isn't just a defensive move. Ripple is going after specific legal points to redefine crypto regulations. The cross-appeal aims to challenge the ruling that institutional sales violated U.S. securities laws, which could reshape not only XRP's future but the path for many digital assets. Now, if you ask me, Ripple's move is a smart one. They're not just fighting for XRP's legality, they're setting the stage for all crypto companies to challenge unclear or outdated laws. With this case, Ripple is pushing back on decades-old securities regulations that don't quite fit the digital asset space. Imagine if they succeed. The ripple effect, pun intended, could be massive, making it easier for other crypto projects to operate without the constant fear of legal repercussions. What could happen next for XRP? With Deaton back, Ripple's cross-appeal, and the SEC's counter-arguments, XRP's future is tied closely to these proceedings. And for those following U.S. politics, This might resonate with you. If Donald Trump gains ground in the presidential race, he's made it clear he's no fan of SEC Chair Gary Gensler. In fact, he's pledged to remove Gensler on day one if elected. Imagine the effect on the SEC's regulatory stance toward crypto. Now, don't get me wrong. I'm not suggesting XRP's fate is solely in Trump's hands. But his stance does introduce a wildcard factor. If Gensler's time as SEC chair does end, the SEC's appeal could lose some steam, and this could open doors for Ripple and XRP. In the meantime, we've seen XRP hover around the 50 cents mark, but with a potential lift towards $0.5350 if sentiment shifts. Should it break past this, we could see a rally aiming at the 50-day and 200-day EMAs. Of course, it's worth keeping an eye on the 14-day RSI, which recently read at 39.50, indicating that there might be some downward pressure before XRP moves toward oversold territory. Deaton's point on Chris Larson's support of Kamala Harris. What does it mean? Now, here's a unique twist. John Deaton pointed out that Chris Larson, Ripple's co-founder, recently donated a substantial sum of XRP to U.S. Vice President Kamala Harris through Coinbase, which, interestingly enough, is also being sued by the SEC. That's a statement if I've ever seen one. Imagine a co-founder of Ripple supporting a top U.S. official while facing ongoing legal battles from the very agency that's targeting his company. It's almost poetic in a way, a silent message that the crypto world isn't going away anytime soon. For XRP holders, this act sends a powerful message. Crypto isn't some underground tech anymore, it's interacting with politics, influencing policy, and making strides into mainstream relevance. While some see it as risky, I see it as another step toward crypto legitimacy. The bottom line: what does this mean for investors? The SEC versus Ripple case isn't just another legal battle. It's a showdown that could impact crypto regulations for years to come. As an XRP holder or potential investor, it's essential to watch these developments closely because every decision made in this case could shape crypto's future in the US market. Whether or not you hold XRP, the fight over its classification and its legality could set a precedent for how other tokens are treated. With every twist, it seems clearer that the US has a big decision to make. Either adopt crypto into its financial ecosystem with a modern approach or risk being left behind by global innovations. If you're enjoying this deep dive into the XRP saga, go ahead and hit the like button. And if you haven't subscribed yet, now's the perfect time. Stay connected to the latest in crypto news and updates, only on Gold Rush Crypto Daily channel. XRP price outlook. Key levels to watch from a technical standpoint. XRP remains below the 50-day and 200-day EMAs, signaling some bearish undertones. But that doesn't mean investors should write it off. A surge above $0.5350 could help bulls target those key moving averages. On the other hand, a dip below 50 cents might trigger further declines, pressing XRP toward trend lines and possibly oversold levels. It's all a matter of watching Ripple's appeal efforts and the SEC's reactions, which could sway market sentiment at any time. And remember, as always, these developments are dynamic. Staying informed is key. That wraps up our in-depth look at XRP's ongoing battle with the SEC and what lies ahead for XRP holders. If you found today's insights helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and check out our other videos for the latest updates in the world of crypto. And don't forget, knowledge is power in this ever-evolving market. Thanks for tuning in to Gold Rush Crypto Daily channel, where we're always on the pulse of the crypto world. Disclaimer: this video is for informational purposes only and does not constitute financial advice. Please consult a professional advisor before making any financial decisions.